the missile attack by India on the Pakistan Air Force bases. Majority of missiles have been intercepted by the alert air defense system of the Pakistan Armed Forces. The few that have been able to sneak in have not been able to cause any damage to the flying assets of Pakistan Air Force as per the initial damage assessment reports. Alhamdulillah, air defense system of armed forces has been able to successfully prevent the desired objectives of India. The missiles and drone attack that has been launched by India on the brotherly neighboring Afghanistan. Shortly after, they have attacked missiles on their own territory of Indian Punjab, is part of a larger sinister plan to push the region and beyond into havoc.